Hi guys, Roel here. November 22, 7:30 p.m. in Hong Kong. Sobrang lamig. Right now, naka-t-shirt lang ako. Hindi kita masyado. Pero nasa loob pa kasi kami ng lobby. Ayan. Pero pag lumabas ka dyan, men, it's around 20 degrees Celsius in temperature. Sobrang lamig. I mean, it's not that really low, but for someone who's living in a tropical country, tulad natin, hindi mo kakayanin. So, ang cravings right now, ano tayo ng sabaw, ramen, kahit ano, basta mainit, so that kahit papano, diba? So, taga. Right now, guys, we're walking outside Hong Kong.
Chongqing Mansion.
Ayan. Naghahanap tayo dito ng kakainan. So, ang dami naman dito. You just have to find the perfect place talaga na magiging sukat sa
Bigay ko ng mura lang. Ano
trip nyo.
May free drinks.
Para masarap. Masarap pag tayo namin.
Mga ganyan. Hanggang dito, yung mga Pinoy makulit. We're walking outside Hong Kong ngayon, trying to find and look for food.
May Palestine.
And, daming tao dito ngayon. Like, for real.
Sarwana ko na ite.
It's really nice actually. You just need to find the correct or the perfect food that would
You wanna check?
match your cravings talaga.
Akala ko bukas magra-ramen.
Napakadaming offers dito. May mga Filipino food. May mga Indian din naman. Also, may mga Chinese, syempre. Diba? So, you just need to make sure that you find the perfect food that would match your cravings, especially for tonight na napakalamig. You just need to make sure na we get to eat some good food. So, ang goal. Pero grabe yung offer nila dun, oh. 50 o dalawa. 50 times 7. Magkano yun? 50? Ang goal natin for tonight is to find a place that we could eat as less as expensive as possible. Diba? Kasi siguro like this and we have 59, 68 here. So every time you eat, syempre Pinay tayo, we convert it to times 7. So that's how it works. So 60 times 7, 6, 18, 21, ay po. 30 sa 5, 300. Mga ganun. So nasa 400, 500 yung meal na yun. So kanina may mga nag-offer na Pinay, Pilipina, mga kapwa natin Pinoy, na 50 daw for 2. So that's 25 times 7. That's, ano pa naman ako sa math. This was soup, right? What's the best?
Ito ba? Para mag-shata.
Yeah, it's nice, it's good.
Nasa Hong Kong.
Give beef
Daming noodles.
brisket. Then order lang. So right now, since ang goal nga is at least as less expensive as possible. So right now, nakuha natin meal dito. Japan. Dito tayo kakain. So 60 plus Hong Kong dollars. So that's around roughly 420 pesos. Sa 60, di ba? Tama, di ba? Sa 60, 420. Times 7 eh. Pero technically, syempre hindi naman yun yung exact na conversion. Ano lang, approximate lang. Di ba? Hindi natin sure kung may service fee pa dito. Pero despite of po, namang maganda yung restaurant. Ay, 452 to be exact as po.
Bigay mo na.
So, total natin is 142. And 142. Ito yung binili namin. Isang lechon kawali. Hindi ko alam, hindi ko maintindihan. Pero 142. So, if we convert it,
Hindi nakabidyo.
and Kinonvert natin yan.
May mute na yun lang, pero hindi naka-record.
HKD 142,071. Diba? Not bad na din para sa dinner. I mean, hindi naman tayo lagi nasa Hong Kong. But definitely a must try. Oh, mabilis yung serving nila. Ganda yung turn up sa edge. Ang galing. Gulat ako nagpat yung Tapos lang namin tumain. We're here at Nathan Road. We will cross the street and tignan nyo naman. Ganito tumawid dyan. Kita mo yung nakaabang sa kabilang side. Ayan. Dito kami sa kabilang side. So it's really that we have to wait for the green light before we could cross the road here. Diba? Discipline yung mga tao talaga. So, now pwede na tayo tumawid. Ayan. Tignan nyo naman kung gaano kadaming tao ang tumatawid. Ayan. Green light. So right now we're walking here. We'll check what we can buy. Sana may NBA cards dito. NBA cards pa din.